My video tutorial is about getting rid of the new ransomware called Crocodile Smile. Crocodile Smile is the ransomware attacking many Windows computers these days. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover at least some of your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover these files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, Microsoft Office documents, all other files can be opened before the ransomware's attack. But very soon, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Crocodile Smile ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and soon people realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and appends this Crocodile Smile extension to the file names. It then reveals the ransom note, and it also, by the way, changes the desktop background. So here's what people see on their desktop. The ransomware indicates that the victims need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only a quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on your system. Some threats can be removed manually, but of course, I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner, and this way your data will always be protected in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.